हमारे साथ डीएमके के नेता तिरुचि शिवा हैं, उनसे बातचीत करेंगे। सर, योर पार्टी इज प्लानिंग टू ब्रिंग एन इम्पीचमेंट मोशन अगेंस्ट वन ऑफ द जजेस इन मद्रास हाई कोर्ट. What is the reason, and have you gotten the required number of signatures for an impeachment motion?
Not planning, we've already moved. It is signed by 107 members of parliament in the Lok Sabha belonging to various political parties.
When did you submit it?
Yesterday. In Lok Sabha, the impeachment notice needs 100 members of parliament. We have got 107 signatures. And this impeachment notice, I would like to make clear only one thing. It's not about any recent incident regarding the Tirupurangundram temple or anything like that, which is being interpreted by the BJP and many other forces. No. On the 11th of August 2025, 50 MPs signed a petition consisting of 13 charges against the same judge, Mr. J.R. Swaminathan, and submitted it to the President of India and the Supreme Court Chief Justice. And based on the same charges have been now incorporated in the impeachment notice, and it has been submitted. So the BJP or anyone trying to say that this is a temple issue, it is against religious issue, nothing of that sort.
That's not even there in those 13 points that you've considered to be a reason.
It is not there. About his speeches in various platforms and in many judgments and during a course of a case, his observations, all those remarks made, these are the contents in those 13.
So what is your main issue? Like, what are the main, if you could tell us, what are the main points?
You might have by this time could have accessed the impeachment notice. Kindly refer to it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. So DMK leader clearly saying, साफ तौर पर कह रहे हैं कि impeachment motion जो है वो उन्होंने सबमिट करा दिया है और 13 पॉइंट्स हैं जिसको लेकर के डीएमके ने अपनी आपत्ति जो है वो दर्ज कराई है और ये मोशन जो है कल इनके द्वारा लोकसभा में दिया गया है। कैंपस से मुकेश सिन्हा के साथ विजयलक्ष्मी, इंडिया टीवी, दिल्ली।